Hi, did you know we actually run a solar workshop live face-to-face in the Shannon in northern New South Wales? Now Zaytuna Farm is actually, use it as my research site. We've got lots of different solar systems we put on this here. It's actually a permaculture demonstration site. Now for the solar workshop, it's a 2-day workshop on the 8th and 9th of July. And what we cover on day one, we run everyone through on how to design an off-grid solar system. So all the ins and outs of all the components required. On the Sunday, we actually do a little bit of hands-on experience. So we'll take you around a few different systems or we'll fix a few things up. But then on Sunday, what we do, we sit down as a team, we design an exercise. We've got a couple of new eco-village projects that we're working on. And as a team, we're gonna sit down and we're gonna design these little eco-villages in the middle of a town and how to make them self-sufficient. So you'll be a part of that group and get involved in how to design these little eco-villages that we're planning on building in the next 2 years. Now, also as well, for attending the Living with Solar workshop, you'll actually get access to our Living with Solar online course. You get a lifetime membership, which is to our community. As a part of this, it's a Living with Solar course online, so you get all the recorded videos and all the documentation. You also get access to a Victron energy programming course if you're ever interested in how to use Victron and program it. And also a lifetime membership to our community, which is a community, it's a private community we can get on and have a conversation. Now, we run this course in the middle of actually a permaculture design course. So this course here, personally, I come and did this course in 2013 and it changed my life. I did this course with Geoff Lawton and sent me on a completely different direction the way my life was heading. And I'm really grateful that I actually got to attend this course and do it. If you want to do this course as well, the link will be in the description below. Or if you just want to turn up for the solar course is basically run over the weekend, where the permaculture design course is actually run during the week. It goes for 10 days. So we run our solar course in the middle. So if you want to attend, completely okay to attend that. And there's camping available on site. Now to book, just click the link in the description below and go through the Zaytuna Farm website. And I look forward to seeing you there. Have a great day.